Just Right is excited to present the new outdoor flammable cabinet. This innovative new cabinet is designed to tackle safety storage in outdoor conditions. The slanted top with rain gutter protects from water pooling on the cabinet. It's fully spot welded for durability and made of 18-gauge galvanneal steel. The double wall construction with 1.5-inch air gap secures flammable contents in the event of a fire. The outdoor cabinet is 16 times more corrosion resistant than regular steel. Stainless steel hinges improve durability and reduce the risk of rust, along with the stainless steel paddle handle lock with 3-point latching for extra security. Stable trapezoid legs enable quick and efficient movement for reorganization. The outdoor cabinet is FM approved and meets NFPA and OSHA standards. Invest in the right product for your outdoor flammable safety storage needs with Just Right.